Alright, today we are making a roasted vegetarian lasagna. This is one of my favorite things. And the thing that really makes it different than a normal vegetarian lasagna is the roasting of the vegetables, as the name implies. So what you're going to need for this is Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic powder, adobo, which is not Italian, but I use it on everything. Your favorite jar of sauce, or you can make your own if you're feeling brave. Ricotta cheese, sprinkly cheese or shredded cheese. I have a 6 cheese Italiano blend, and I have just straight up mozzarella. Your noodles, you can get the pre-made ones, the boiled ones, whatever you prefer for your lasagna. 3 squash, 3 zucchini, 1 onion. They're all about medium size. And we'll get 1 eggplant. Also, you need a sheet pan, large enough to lay all your veggies out on a single layer. A pan for your lasagna. I have an 8-inch square, a cutting board, and you guessed it, a knife. Alright, we've cut up all the vegetables into good size chunks, except for the onions, which we diced. We just kind of mixed them all on the sheet pan. We're going to pop these into a 400-degree oven, but first, we're going to put some olive oil on top, and then our salt, our pepper, our garlic salt, or garlic powder, not garlic salt. And then, of course, our adobo. I'm going to give it a nice little toss. And we're going to cook these for about 30 minutes on 400. Stir them about halfway through so they all get nice and even. You want them to have a nice brown caramelized look on them, especially the onions, which are smaller, so that'll happen quicker. And that's going to be the super yummy flavorfulness of the lasagna. If you are using the kind of noodles that you need to boil, go ahead and start boiling your water and get those in the pot. Alright, our veggies are all nice and done and taste delicious. So we are going to get everything else ready. So into our ricotta, we're going to add our Italian seasoning. I don't really measure, just like when your heart tells you that's enough. Little salt, little pepper. And then a teensy bit of the regular cheese. Give this a nice stir. And we prepared our lasagna according to package instructions. So, first, we're going to put some sauce in the pan. Just kind of push it around, just so it doesn't stick. Then we are gonna go 1, 2, and 3. Then we're gonna add our ricotta. Just kind of blop it in there. Now our goal is to do 3 layers. And we'll evaluate. All right, so then about 1/3 of our veggies. Oh, these are so good. They're brown and flavorful and delicious. I'm a fan. All right. And then I like to sprinkle some cheese. And then repeat. Sauce. You don't want a ton of sauce because then it just gets super messy. So just enough for flavor. All right, we're gonna continue this. And here we have our finished lasagna. I went through all the steps as you saw. Put cheese on top, popped it in the oven for 25 minutes on 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and it is yummy and delicious and ready to be eaten. Rate, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next.